Unit 6 Test Study Guide, question number 23. We're into sales tax, so first let's talk a moment about sales tax. We're going to use the percent per proportion, percent over 100 equals part over whole. When we're talking about sales tax, the percent sales tax is an extra amount that the state or government charges you to make money make money for the government. So the 100% would represent the cost of what you were buying. The percent is the tax that gets added on. That could be the part over the whole. The tax is the extra part you get charged for whatever the item cost. Just like with percent change, though, we can also do it a slightly different way and say that, yes, this whole amount is going to be the cost of the item that we're buying, but then we could say that the new amount is the tax plus the cost. So this would be like doing our percent change problems with our new over the original. Okay, and there will be a time when we're going to have to do it that way. Alright, this is more like your change over your original, the tax over the original cost of the item. Number 23, Mr. Jordan bought a new iPhone in Georgia. It costs $650. Georgia has a 7% sales tax. What was his final price? Two ways to solve it. You could figure out the tax, and so you could go percent over, we know the percent. We know they have a 7% sales tax, so we know we're the percent. That is the amount of tax they would charge. If your item cost $100, they would charge you an extra $7 in sales tax. So if you're doing this problem, the cost of the phone, the item we're purchasing, is $650. Understand, this is the cost on this side. This is going to figure out how much tax. And I'm warning you about that because notice, it's not asking you for how much tax. It's asking you what was the final price, what was the final amount he had to pay. So solve this problem, cross multiply, you get 100x equals 7 times 650 is 4550. 4550. Divide by 100. That's nice and easy to divide by because you can just move the decimal point 2 places. Your x comes out to be $45.50. But understand, this was finding our tax. They didn't ask us for how much tax. They asked us what's the final price. He has to pay the cost of the phone plus the extra amount, that tax. Add that, you come up with $695.50 is the total cost with tax. Okay, that's one way to do it. Could we do this with new over original? Yes, you could, and in ways that might be the easier way to do it here, because if they're adding on an extra 7%, our new percent would be, and again, think about it as money, if it cost $100, they're going to add $7 on. That would be $107 that you'd have to pay. That would be our new percent. 100 plus 7 would equal 107%. That would be our new percent. This is going with new over original. And we know the original price was $650. We're looking for what the new price is, or the final price, the price with the tax. This will get us that. You get 100x equals 107 times 650. 107 times 650 is 69550. We get 69550. Divide by 100. That will move your decimal point 2 places. The decimal point is going to be between the two fives. You get 695.50. Great. It even looks like money. That is it. The same answer. And that would be the total cost with